Hi, I've just got to do a quick unboxing of my National Geographic photo tripod. Bought a couple of tripods off eBay, but I found they were a bit brittle, not very big, so I thought I'll get this one from Argos. It was £20, £19.99 from Argos, and I'm hoping it's going to be a bit more robust. So, in the box, a nice little bag, National Geographic written on it. I can see already actually it looks a lot better build quality than my eBay one. Little instruction booklet. It's written in several languages. It's basically just explaining how to set it up, but I'm hoping it's going to be pretty straightforward. Fairly robust, nice and light. Looks to get the legs out. I'm doing the clips. Actually, extra on that. So what I'll do is I'll set it out fully, and then we'll have a little look just to see how solid it is. So to metre, 100 centimetres, or approximately 39 inches, to that part, you've got your camera base is at about 106, 107 centimetres. And again, it's not a lot to say. There's a little lift up bit. So it can go up. Actually, I'll check the height of that, so we'll lock that off. Again, it's relatively sturdy. I wouldn't say it was, you know, it's very light, so it's fully extended, 127 there, or approximately 50 inches. Like I said, it's the first time I've looked at this, so I'm just seeing what all these items do. That's your quick release for your camera, so you screw that to your base of your camera, so you take your camera off and on, cup the tripod, nice and easy on there. Little fine adjustment, and just a twist to tighten that up. And this one must be the adjustment of, and we've got the diagonal as well, so you know, you could, for whatever reason, lock it off like that. There is a spirit level on there, so that's good as well. I'm just going to go and grab a camera for 2 seconds. Got a little cheap and cheerful imitation GoPro, just so we can see how easy it clips on. Swings around there, so you can get it fully locked up and swing it round to get it on and off. There's a little clip that you can pull out. So I'll show you it off. So it's off. Put it on. Twist it round. There is that lock and pin. I'm not 100% sure what it's for, but I'm imagining some more high-end cameras, they might have a lock and position pin that you're going to tie that into, so that's probably what that is. So to put it back on the tripod, let's see, to get it off and on the tripod. And there we are. Like I say, yeah, adjustment. So I imagine it'd be ideal for, like I say, a high-end camera. It is alright for the money. Binoculars, that type of thing. It's ideal, so we'll see how we go on with it. Thanks for watching.